Guys, look under the carpet, guys. Look at water. So this is the bung, guys. I'm going to pull the bung. So the water. Part 2, guys, on this 2004 Mitsubishi Grandis. Guys, click the link in the description. Go and watch part 1 so you can get a full understanding how we are going to solve the AC problem on this vehicle. So guys, as you see in the previous video, inside flooding out. Now guys, we're moving this housing here so we can take out the evaporator core, get to clean inside the housing so the water can run through the AC drain hose. So we pull the screws, but we have to remove the expansion valve outside so we can take off the bracket. So now we are pulling outside, and as you see guys, we started to remove the 2 pipes that connected to the expansion valve. And guys, don't forget to like and share this video, and if you're new on the channel, please subscribe. So here we have the housing, guys. Now I'm going to remove so here is the evaporator core, guys. This is what they use and pad it up. They replaced the evaporator core in this vehicle already. And guys, here is a swimming pool. So I'm going to try to clear the drain hose. Drain hose, the water going down. You can see guys, water going right down slowly. So we have to just wait till the water reach low enough so we can clear the drain hose better. So the water start run outside, as you see guys. Water just dripping. So there's a lot of debris inside the evaporator core hose in here, guys. Taking us some time to get it done properly, but anyway, we're getting through. So guys, all the water now out of the evaporator core housing, so I'm going to throw some fresh water inside just to make sure that the hole clear properly. So here's a test run, guys. One bottle of water. And everything running out, guys. So the drain hose is now free of debris. now we can replace back the AC evaporator core and set up and recharge the system with some refrigerant. Change of plan, guys. We're going to use this brand new evaporator core inside the vehicle. We decided that we're not going to use the old core because the old core have a lot of porous mark on it. So I'm going to show you guys. The plan was to use this evaporator core in the vehicle. I never have no idea how this core look until we take it out. As you see, guys, the core is in a bad condition. This core won't last long inside the vehicle, so that's the reason why we change the plan and use a new evaporator core. So now, guys, the cover is over the evaporator core, so I'm going to replace back the screws. Guys, this is the old expansion valve that we removed. We installed a brand new expansion valve. Here it is, guys. To remove this old expansion valve, we'd have to drill it off the AC evaporator core. Very difficult because you see the space is very tight, but we get it off anyway. The Allen key bolt head is dry rotten, so we'd have to drill through the bolt head to remove that part that cover over the expansion valve to hold it on the evaporator core and prise it off. So it just one bolt could hold the pull on this expansion valve because it used two bolts to Allen key bolt to tighten it up on the evaporator core. This is one of the Allen key that we removed. So, guys, we'll have to drill off the head and the Allen key this part just to get the whole expansion valve removed.
Shaw's defense lawyer countered the prosecution's case by arguing that the witnesses who testified against Shaw were jailhouse informants, making their reliability questionable. According to prosecutors, Paul, the primary suspect, desired Glasser's death to prevent him from testifying against Paul in a separate case.
Now, guys, we almost finished fit up inside. Just to put on the two side pieces. So I'm going to start the engine and turn on the AC and recharge the system with some refrigerant just to make sure that everything is okay before we fit the sides pieces. This is now on. So, guys, I'm going to fit back in the floor bung. Wipe out inside. You see no running, guys, and no water dripping inside. So, guys, we finished charge this vehicle with refrigerant. And as you see, guys, the low side pipe is sweating. And you can see the water now dripping from the drain hose. So the water now is coming out of the vehicle and not running inside of the vehicle. And this vehicle is also a rear unit, so you will see water dripping from the rear AC evaporator core. AC cooling. AC cooling, nice guys. I'm going to use my thermometer gun and give you some reading. Guys, the front is 42.3 Fahrenheit. And now I'm going to check the rear unit. The rear is 35.7 degrees Celsius. So guys, please like and share this video, and if you're new on the channel, do the right thing and subscribe.